Welcome back to the 10K SOXL Trader Challenge. This is the recap for trading day 32. One trade was executed per rules today. When intraday momentum failed to follow through, a decisive stop-loss was taken, exiting with a small loss to protect equity and preserve the next opportunity. Daily report, daily net change, minus $85.01. Ending net assets, $10,272.16. A modest pullback in NAV with the overall pace under control. One trade for the day. Entry and exit were executed per preset conditions, with the loss contained within the per trade threshold. Notional capital and order size. Starting capital $10,357.17. Purchased 299 whole shares at the entry price. Notional deployed about $10,352.88. Trade replay, timeline, 10/28 entry. Bought 299 SOXL at 34.6250. 11/19 exit. Sold at 34.3407. Single trade loss about $85.01. Holding time about 51 minutes. Entry rationale and execution. Entry was based on intraday acceleration and structural confirmation, but follow-through was insufficient. After pressure at key levels, exited decisively per pre-market rules to avoid loss expansion and emotional trading. Index recap. QQQ closed at 600.37, intraday 596.10 to 600.71. Modestly higher than the prior 598.73, with range-bound trading persisting near the highs. VU closed at 612.38, intraday 608.27 to 612.86, traded narrowly near the year's highs, with the trend structure remaining stable. SOXL closed at 34.84, intraday 33.5734 to 34.955. Rebounded versus the prior day, with amplified intraday swings consistent with its 3x leverage. Key takeaways and strategy. Quick stop-loss is a core discipline. When signals diverge from price action, prioritize risk control over. Wait a bit longer, to protect trading continuity and next-day flexibility. High beta magnifies volatility. In a high-level, frequently retracing environment, scaling execution and key level stops fit the shorter trend legs and more frequent pullbacks. Process over outcome. Small, controlled losses are part of the strategy. Disciplined execution takes precedence over single trade P&L, focusing on long-term expectancy. Quant summary. Win rate 0%. Gross P&L, minus $85.01. Average holding time about 51 minutes. Time and noise exposure remain controlled, reflecting consistent execution of the confirm entry, stop at key levels framework. Account metrics. Prior close equity about $10,357.17. Daily net P&L minus $85.01. Daily return about minus 0.82%. Ending equity about $10,272.16. If this episode on decisive stop-loss and pace control offers insights into the trading process, likes and subscriptions are welcome, and comments on entry confirmation and exit thresholds are invited. All content is live record documentation and educational sharing only, not investment advice. See you in the next video.